Here are 7 body language secrets that you need to know about that will make you feminine and irresistible. Unfortunately, many women have lost touch with their femininity these days, but these body language tricks are going to not only make you reconnect with your feminine self, but also make you feel more attractive. So let's find out what these tricks are. My dear elegant ladies, welcome back to a new video. Ladies, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I post videos on everything about elegance, personal and lifestyle transformation every Sunday, so don't miss out. Now, let's get into point number 1. Now, point number 1 is all about the posture. And I have seen so many gorgeous, elegant women become instantly less attractive by not following this rule. And you know, even I've been guilty of this, ladies. And the thing is that when you practice having, good posture, it instantly elevates your physique, it slims you down, and it also accentuates, kind of the best parts of your feminine silhouette. Plus, ladies, it also signals confidence. So instead of you, looking like this when you enter a room, or I don't know, be a bit like that, it just takes you this one thing that you need to do. And what is that? Well, simply straighten your back, ladies, shoulders back, chest up, and elongate your neck. So that when you enter a room, you are like this. Instead of like that. Point number 2, soft movements. Clearly that was a joke because I don't want you ladies to grab anything like this anymore. Even if that is exaggerated, but sometimes we're a little bit like that, and no more if you want to be, feminine, a bit more elegant. We have to become slower in our movements and more gentle. Okay, maybe not, slow motion when it's a bit too exaggerated. No, ladies. Just, instead of being so harsh, be more delicate. See what a difference? Ladies, don't do this elegance mistake. When you leave the house all wrinkled, this is not elegant whatsoever. In my free workshop called 10 Brutal Mistakes that show you're not elegant and how to fix these mistakes, I'm actually going to give you even more essential elegance mistakes that I see so many women do, and I want you to never ever do them again. So go to 10elegancemistakes.com and take this free workshop, but hurry up because it's only available for a short amount of time before it disappears. Point number 3, and ladies, it's all about elongating your body, even when you're doing something as boring and simple as just sitting down. But we want to sit down in a very elegant way, and elegant women, they certainly sit differently. And the key is to hold both legs together. As you can see, I wouldn't be, sitting like this because it just makes you look a little bit more closed off, plus it doesn't elongate you at all. But, when you do this, when you put your feet like this in front, it creates an optical illusion that you have longer legs and it's more flattering for you. And ladies, keep your legs across so that you're not exposing certain body parts when you are sitting down, which is a common mistake, especially when you sit with shorter skirts. Oh, and don't forget that good posture as well. Add it here. Number 4, instead of looking like this, ladies, expose your neck. Expose your feminine and sensual area, which is the neck. So you know that I like to keep my hair on one side like this, and there is a very strategic reason for that. I like to show off this neck because I feel like, I look more elongated and more elegant in such way. Surely I can wear my hair on both sides like this, but I feel like it just clutters this area and you're not really seeing the neck. Now, you don't have to have your hair on one side like I do, but sometimes you can just do something like this, and kind of just tilt your neck in the direction when you want to just show it off a little bit. Definitely works, with the opposite sex that we want to attract. And you can also, lightly touch yourself on your neck, a little bit delicately. Not too much, because we don't want this to look like a foreplay show, but just lightly, subtly. just to draw that little attention that makes people look at you from a more feminine perspective. Number 5, the signature Anna Bay pose. And ladies, I'm gonna share a little secret hack of mine. And actually, I call it the signature Anna Bay pose because if you go to my Instagram account at Anna Bay and you scroll through my feed, you're going to see that, why does she look pretty much the same in every picture? Why is she standing like this? There is a specific reason for why, ladies, because this is a very flattering pose for pictures. And what it does is that when you place your leg in front of you, first of all, I do it in a very feminine way. I don't just, bang it like this, but I do it a bit like this. It elongates my body, so I look taller, which is great because it's easy to look shorter on pictures when you're just standing like this. Now, the other thing that I do is that I push my hip out a little bit. I can do it with an arm here or I can do it without. But this creates a very elegant feminine silhouette that I just feel like all this together is the winning combination to always look your best in pictures. So make sure you use the Anna Bay signature pose and now you're gonna look fabulous, trust me. Point number 6 is all about those slower body movements. And no, ladies, I am not a weirdo here, but we spoke earlier about harsh movements that we want to avoid, but we also want to, kind of avoid the really fast body movements. Instead, ladies, an elegant lady is always a bit unrushed. She's not in a hurry. She's not looking like she's panicking or any of that sort. She just has this really calm energy and she holds herself composed. And this is a very feminine energy that it's a must to possess if you want to transmit more femininity. So ladies, next time you enter a room, simply don't rush. Point number 7. You see, many studies have actually shown that when you tilt your head a little bit and nod, this is the best way of nonverbal communication to show that you are relaxed and engaged and genuinely listening to the other person. But ladies, just be aware that you're not turning into this one who's just nodding all the time. It just looks like you're a bit too eager and kind of insecure of yourself. In my next video, 10 powerful body language secrets that turn men on. You're going to find out more incredibly powerful secrets that's going to really change your life. So go watch that video because I will see you there.